Let's get it. So check out the paint job. I just spent 5 days in the garage without a paint booth painting this 56 Bel Air red and ivory. It took me 6 days to do it, but 5 days of shooting. I recorded all the video, and there's going to be two versions. One version is going to be the epic version, it's going to be the long one. Maybe that's the one you tuned into. Or one that's short and sweet and just has everything on hyperlapse with music in the background. So you can see me paint the doors, the fenders, the body, the interior, the firewall, the whole ball of wax. If you're interested in seeing either one of these, stay tuned. All right, guys, you've been waiting for a long time for me to go ahead and paint this car. Well, here it is. I've got my gun set up. I've got the India Ivory in it. I got my regulator. I've got my desiccant dryer. I got the pressure set up. I got me a brand new respirator. The top has been sanded, wet sanded with dry, wiped down with solvent, tacked off. I've got plastic film all the way around my garage to protect everything and to try to keep things separated. So here we go. We're going to finally start shooting color. The day is here. Let's go.
right, I got 2 coats on everything. It's done. Done. In 5 days. I'm gonna give you a quick look at it. I got too much fumes in here to take the respirator off. I'm gonna look at it real quick. I mean, it is gorgeous. That's beautiful, man. Fantabulous. Dashboard. All right, that's gonna do it until tomorrow. I'm gonna go inside, get cleaned up. I'm gonna celebrate and ring in the new year, and then I'll be back out here tomorrow to just show you what it all looks like with everything when the fog is cleared. So, see you on the flip side.
All right, I got all the masking tape and everything pulled off of it. It looks awesome. Let me show it to you. There she is. Man, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That Axalta Rival material just lays right down. Everything looks good. Everything really looks good. Boy, I mean, look at this. I mean, this is super crisp. That's beautiful. See on the passenger side. Oh, some more masking tape. Peel that off in a minute. A little bit of masking bleed through. I'll be underneath the molding, or I'll be able to buff that out. The roof looks really good. Let's go look at the hood. But look at that. Look how awesome that looks. Here's a trunk lid. I don't think I have any flaws on it. Looks really, really good. It's shiny and flat. Front fenders. There's stripe. Well, that's going to do it. It's been a very long week. It's been 5 days of painting, 6 days of labor to get Christine to look like this, you know, with this paint job. But I mean, I'm beside myself. I'm over the moon. I couldn't be happier and more pleased with the results. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed the channel, I'd love a subscription. So until I see you next time, please take care of yourself. Cheers.